Hi, garden friends. I'm Erin Hoffer, an educator for the City of Plano Sustainability and Environmental Education Division. And I'm so excited to be partnering with Plano Libraries once again to bring you another spring gardening webinar. Do you wish more winged friends would stop by your yard? I mean, birds are a great source of color and sound in our gardens, and they bring so much pleasure and joy to the day. If your landscape isn't bird friendly, well, we've got tips on how to make it an oasis for those feathered friends. Don't Wing It on March 17th is a way to help you so that you don't wing it and instead you plan it. We'll talk about water, food, shelter, everything that will help make your landscape the bird paradise that you'd love for it to be. It's all virtual, so sign up today at planolibrary.org. Don't wait, but do wing it on March 17th.